had a wonderful trip with Francesca, the tour guide. She explained everything very clear and so on time. Also Ronnie, the driver, he's the best. We def recommend this trip to anyone who visited Milan. Def worth every penny. The whole trip is so worth it for the price. The travel guides are extremely friendly, helpful and informative. We went to 3 tourist spots in one day and it's so amazing. Highly recommend this trip to everyone coming to Milan. 12 tenths. The tour was a beautiful experience, offering breathtaking views and serene surroundings. The transfers were smooth and well organized, making it easy to get around. Most of the tour is self-guided, which gives you the flexibility to explore at your own pace, but you'll need to plan your time carefully as you have to be back by a certain time. Overall, it's a great option for those who enjoy a mix of guided logistics and independent discovery. Meeting point is beside the Milan train station. The road to Como is super narrow, but our skillful lady driver done a great job. Our tour guide Kevin is well prepared for the tour. A PDF file with details and map was given. He is very knowledgeable and gives good care to us. The trip is well planned and timing is just nice. The tour was so great. Definitely good value for money. The views were spectacular. The guide was very knowledgeable too. The bus driver was phenomenal, especially driving on those narrow streets. Will definitely recommend. Our guide was really kind, helpful, and knowledgeable. We enjoyed the place very much but felt like time was a bit short to see all the wonderful sights. It was about 1 to 2 hours of free time on each location. I recommend researching the restaurants you'd like to go to, just to save some time when you get there. Amazing tour and great guide, definitely worth it to go for a day. I wish to stay a bit longer in each place, but still good enough to have a look the area. We had an absolutely wonderful day trip to Lake Como, Bellagio, and Lugano. Our guide Alice was fantastic from start to finish, friendly, knowledgeable, and incredibly patient with everyone on board. She seamlessly switched between English and Italian, making sure all passengers felt included and informed throughout the journey. Her insights about the history and culture of each place made the experience even more special. A big thank you as well to Klaus, our coach driver, for his professionalism and smooth driving along the scenic, and sometimes narrow, roads. We always felt safe and comfortable. This tour was perfectly organized and exceeded our expectations. Highly recommend both Alice and Klaus for anyone looking to explore the beauty of Lake Como and beyond. We had such a fun time on this tour. Sylvia is the best guide. The way she delivers little tidbits of information about Como, Bellagio, and Lugano makes you appreciate the history of these places a lot more. She's always smiling and very approachable. Our driver, Ronnie, was pretty excellent too. The way he maneuvered the narrow streets around Lake Como was nothing short of impressive.